The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Delit Sahaya, are ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. Efforts to eradicate harmful practices in the southern Red Sea region. Training for preschool teachers in Sheb subzone. North Korea launched ballistic missiles. And France agrees to renew a defense pact for another 5 years. Proceeding with our reports. A meeting to review the efforts carried out for 2025 to eradicate harmful practices in the southern Red Sea region was conducted in the port city of Asab on 18 April. The meeting was attended by heads of ministries, PFDJ representatives, and religious leaders. Reporting to the meeting, Mr. Yosef Fisahaye, head of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare in the region, said that promotional activities and seminars have been organized for students. Women, government workers, and religious leaders aimed at ensuring the rights of women and children, as well as eradicating underage marriage and female genital mutilation. Indicating that female genital mutilation has declined by 83% in the region, Mr. Yosef said that the achievement already registered this regard called for reinforced efforts for the total eradication of the practice. He also called for strengthened participation for the public and stakeholders. Mr. Yosef said that in Eritrea subzone, an internal regulation is being drafted to ban the practice of female genital mutilation. He went on to say that sustainably continuing promotional activities, preparing promotional materials, as well as conducting preliminary studies for assess the situation of the harmful practices in the Asab and southern Dakala subzones are among the future programs. The participants on their part called for the committee to overseeing the rights of women and children to work earnestly in collaboration with partners to bring about behavioral change among the public regarding female genital mutilation and underage marriage. Mr. Ahmed Ali, Director General of Social Services in the region, called on all committees at all levels to strengthen participation in the efforts to eradicate harmful practices. Training for preschool teachers has been organized in Sheb subzone. The theoretical and practical training was attended by preschool teachers from all administrative areas in the subzone. The training covered teaching methodology, lesson planning, as well as pedagogy and psychology. Ms. Miriam Osman, preschool supervisor, said that the objective of the training provided to newly assigned teachers is to upgrade their capacity and enable them to play their due part in the development of preschool education, which is the foundation for future educational career of children. Noting that substantial investment is being made in preschools at the regional level during 2025-2026 academic year, Ms. Jim'a Hassan, head of preschool in the northern Red Sea region, said that the training will make a significant contribution in upgrading the capacity of teachers. Reporting on the overall situation of preschool in the subzone, Mr. Jim' Salah, head of the education office in the subzone, said that the preschool enrollment has reached 100% and the training will make significant contribution in preserving the achievements already registered. Straight ahead is our international news after a short break. Welcome back. Northern Korea launched multiple ballistic missiles towards the sea on Sunday. Its neighbors said in the North's latest weapon testing activities this year. South Korea's Joint Chief of Staff said the launch happened on Sunday morning from the northeastern Sinpo area. It said South Korea has bolstered its surveillance posture and is closely exchanging information with the US and Japan. South Korea's presidential office said its National Security Council plans to hold an emergency meeting to discuss the launch. Japan's defense minister also detected the launch, saying the weapons were believed to have landed in the waters of the North Korean east coast. It said Tokyo strongly protested to Pyongyang, saying Sunday's launch threatens regional and international peace and violated UN Security Council resolution that bans any ballistic activities by North Korea. Last week, North Korea said leader Kim Jong-un supervised a missile test from the country's destroyer. On our last report, French President Emmanuel Macron will travel to Greece next week to renew a security pact between the two countries against the backdrop of the war in Iran, a Greek government official said on Sunday. France and Greece, long-standing NATO allies, signed a security and defense agreement in 2021, which required them to come to each other's aid if attacked and included purchase of 3 French-made frigate and around 24 Dassault-made Rafale fighter jets by Athens. The news comes as Macron is due to visit Greece on April 25 to renew the agreement with Greece government for further 5 years with an automatic renewal after report Bloomberg. Additionally, the official responded to Macron and Greek government will also discuss maritime security and the Strait of Hormuz. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a recap of the headlines. Efforts to eradicate harmful practices in the Southern Red Sea region. Training for preschool teachers in Sheb subzone. North Korea launched ballistic missiles. And France and Greece to renew defense pact for another 5 years. That was the news from ERi-TV studios. This has been Eritrea reporting. Thanks for watching and have a good night.